In this section, we will speak about the page conditions that can be created in BoomiFlow. Page conditions are used to conditionally vary the page component that is shown to the user of your app. They create a dynamic and unique experience for your users. Some examples of page conditions and the options for these page conditions are shown here. The two types of page conditions are Boolean and Scalar. In the upcoming activity, we will be using a Boolean page condition. Options are that of visible, editable, and required. Also in the upcoming activity, we will demonstrate how the visible option works. The image here is that of a page condition that utilizes a Boolean condition and the visible option. The page condition or basic condition icon is located on the right-hand side of the page layout screen and looks like a box with a check mark. Once the basic condition icon has been selected, the basic conditions window opens on the right-hand side of the screen. Here you will select the component that you want to build a condition for. In the image, the toggle component is being selected. To continue with the process of creating the basic condition, next you will make a selection for when the value of toggle this is true or is false from the drop-down. In this demonstration, the selection is true is being made. Now for the drop-down for then make, the selection for the Now You See Me presentation component is being made. In the final drop-down to the right of the Now You See Me selection, the selection of visible would be made so that the smiley face presentation component would be visible when the toggle button was clicked on in the app.